Hey guys, today is a nice quick stamping nail set and we are going to be doing some Batman nails with the Moyu London, I think it's plate number 5 from the DC Comics range, and we're using Blue Sky gel polish, Quiet Grey, Black Night, Pastel Red, Dark Grey, Sorbet Zest and Personality. So, excuse me, I've just come up the stairs, I'm out of breath. So what I'm going to do is I'm using the dark grey on the thumb and pinky finger. I'll just show you doing one coat and then I'll do the second coat off camera because you don't need to see it twice. And then the quiet grey on the pointer finger. And on the other two, we are going to be doing an ombre. Fuzzy. Me hate fuzzies. Okay, so middle finger I'll do first. And I'm going to ombre the Black Knight at the top. And I think it's the quiet grey. Yeah, the quiet grey at the bottom. So I'm just going to put them on like that, and then I'm just going to go whooshy whoosh with my ombre brush. Hey, that's a rhyme. So yeah, just mix the two, go down, go up, wipe off any excess. And then I'll put that in, and then obviously I'll do a second coat. For the ring finger, we are going to be doing the pastel red. And the yellow I wanted I didn't actually have, so I've got the Sorbet Zest and Personality. I wanted one that was sort of in between these two, so make your own. So I'm mixing those, and then we'll do an ombre with those two colours. Come on. Yeah, I got this stamping plate from Moyu London. Got it from their sale. I'm sure I only paid £2 for it. I mean, who doesn't love Batman, right? And never in my wildest dreams would I have ever said that I would have created a set of Batman nails, because, well, not to this detail anyway. This is why I love stamping plates. Getting can be a bit messy, but so much fun. And then I'm just doing the red and yellow. So yellow at the top, red at the bottom. I only want the yellow really a slightly little bit at the top, but I want a nice mix in the middle, if that makes sense. So going over with my ombre brush, cleaning it off, put that in, and then I'll do second coat off camera. And then we'll be back. Here we go. So stamping. So nice clean stamper, and I'm using the Moyu London black and white, and at the bottom of the plate it's got like the Gotham City scene. So I'm going to, and I really want the Batman signal on the nail. Oh, so cool. So I'll get that on there. I'm so indecisive when it comes to stamping. So there we go. So we've got the scene, we've got the signal, and then I've got some stars and the moon that's left. So I just take off the bits of the bridge that I didn't want, and then I'll plonk the stars and the moon, fill in the darker sky at the top. And that's the middle nail. Then what do we do next? Oh, this is me cleaning me plate like a champion. Scrub. You get through so many lint-free wipes when you're doing stamping. Alright, it's clean, Rebecca. Oh, goodness me. Okay, so on the, I think I do the thumb. Do I do the thumb first? Come on. Yeah, I think I do. So there's like a bat shape and it says Batman in the middle of it. Yeah. So I'm going to put that on the thumb, which is over the top of the dark grey. because we're going to have quite a lot of detail on the 3 middle fingers. So the thumb and pinky, they don't really have that much on. And then I just do the bat symbol on the pinky finger. The first time I do this, it didn't work. I don't know what I did. But we try and try again. I just wiped it off and went again, and it worked perfectly fine. Only half went on. I was like, But there we go. We get there in the end. That's all that matters, isn't it? So there we go. So it's all wiped off. Just a little bit of acetone. Just lightly wipe it off. It comes off super quick. And then it went down perfectly this time. So I thought I'd do a little bit different video rather than everyone's doing big, bright colours and spring designs. Why not have a Gotham City Batman and Robin? It's a brilliant stamping plate though. I absolutely love it. Okay, so there's the thumb and the pinky done, and we've also done the middle finger. So now I'm going to start using the Moyu London Black stamping polish. And we're going to do, there's an outline of Robin. And obviously he's going on the red and yellow nail. Can't forget Robin. Batman wouldn't be where he is today without Robin. And this is me faffing and can't make up my mind which way to put him and blah, 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 blah. But we end up just placing him down. And what I really wish I'd done is I wish I'd done some reverse stamping, like coloured him in, like did his face colour and things like that. But I'd have been here forever doing that, so maybe I'll do like one-off nails or something where I do loads of reverse stamping. And there's the little Robin symbol just at the top. And then on the other side, for the light grey nail that we painted, or quiet grey, sorry, I'm going to do Batman. So they're both sort of facing towards the middle nail, which has got the Gotham City scene. He looks super cool, doesn't he? And on the top, just above him, there's the Batman symbol there. And then I've just realised that I forgot to get one of the polishes that I need. So this is like a yellow. So this is, I'm going to do reverse stamping on this. BP TVS06, I think it said that. It's quite hard to read at the bottom. It's from the Vitality series anyway. It's a little bit sheer, but it's bright. So wait till you see this. Ta-da! Oh, love it. Okay, so because I've just put that on, just using a brush, I'm just going to leave that to dry, because if I stamp that down now, it's just all going to splurge out. So we're leaving that to dry and we'll carry on doing other bits and bobs. And I'm looking at the plate now because the Robin nail's bothering me, because his arm doesn't reach over to the other side, so he's sort of like, and he's got no hand. So I was like, what can I put there to fill in the gap? So I'm going to do some little bats. And I do them in the yellow first because it's stamping onto the red part of the nail. And then I do them in black over the top, but slightly, so it looks like they're shaded, outlined. They've got a little bit of depth to them anyway. Just to fill out that bit where his hand doesn't, well, he hasn't got a hand, but it doesn't go over. And I thought it filled out the little gap perfectly. And when I put the black bat on the top, there was still a couple of little bats left on my stamper from where it had gone over the sides. Then I just put those in top right hand corner just to fill that little space there as well. I've been like a big kid making this design. I wish I'd got all of the DC Comics. There was loads of them. So I was just checking that to see if it was dry, and it's not quite dry yet. So now obviously I've filled out the Robin nail. Now Batman needs a bit more. So there was a little where it just says the Black Knight. I've just stamped that, and I'm going to put that next to him And then when his symbol with the yellow one is dried, that's going to go at the top. Excuse me if you just heard my stomach then. Yep, it's dry, let's go. And it looks amazing. I love it. Love it. Would you wear Batman nails? I would. Right, okay. So what I'm doing is, because there's quite a lot of stamping on there, I want to matte these because I think they're going to look brilliant matte. But matte top coat has a habit of dragging what's underneath it. So I'm going over with a base coat, just nice, smooth. I'm just floating it. I'm not dragging the brush, so we don't pull off any of the stamping details. And then once this has had a full cure, then I will matte top coat. But I don't show you that on camera because obviously I'm sure we all know how to do base coat and top coat now. So it's all nicely sealed in, and then when you next see them, they will be filed and they will be matte top coat. Here we go. Ta-da! Aren't they brilliant? Absolutely love them. What do you think? Would you wear them? I know I would. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. This is the plate again, just in case you've forgotten. Is it number 4? Oh, I need to wear my glasses. But thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.